Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how a NAND gate works. Okay, first let's get a NAND gate from this panel. You will notice the symbol is similar to an AND gate. Let's get an AND gate. Okay, so this is an AND gate and this is a NAND gate. The only difference is that there is a bubble here at the output side. So if you see an AND gate with a bubble, that is a NAND gate. And this NAND gate is equivalent to this combination, an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. So it means that whatever the output of an AND gate here will be inverted by this inverter, or the output of this NOT gate is just the opposite of the output of this AND gate. Right? Let's show how this NAND gate works by connecting these toggle switches and a light bulb on the output side. As you can see here, when the two inputs are off, the light bulb is on. And then when I turn one of the switches on, the light bulb is still on. Let's turn it off and turn this one on. The light bulb is still on. And then the last combination is this. Okay, when both inputs are on, the light bulb turns off. Okay, so let's visit the truth table of an AND gate, and then let's have the truth table for a NAND gate. Okay, for the AND gate truth table, we were able to get this from our simulation from the previous video. The AND gate only turns on when both inputs are 1. The rest of the input combinations, the output is 0. Okay, and we just mentioned that a NAND gate is the opposite of an AND gate. So it means that the output of the NAND gate will be the opposite of this. Okay, so let's see. See, from our previous simulation, this is the result. It only turns off when the two inputs are on. For the other input combinations, the light bulb is on. Okay, so it means that this output will be 1 when two inputs are off or 0. This is also 1, this is also 1, and this will be 0. Okay, so when the two inputs are both 1, that's the time the output will be 0. Okay, the rest, it's 1, opposite of this AND gate. When two inputs are both 1, the output is 1, and the rest is 0. So that's it for this video, and in the next video I will show you how the XOR gate works. Okay, stay tuned. Bye.